Hey guys, how's it going? How to find trash bin on iPhone. So before you do anything, go ahead to your settings, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead to the general. In the general, I'm gonna just check up if there's any update coming. So basically that step is very important so you won't face any issues like lagging or something like that. So if you do, please do update your iPhone. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just go back to my screen. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead, and if you want to find the trash bin right here for your photos, you could just go ahead right here to the albums and just go ahead to the recently deleted and confirm with your Face ID, and you're gonna be able to see the videos and the photos that you deleted. But if you want to find files, you could just go ahead right here to the files, click browse right here to see all of your files location, and from here just go ahead, click recently deleted, and now it says right here recently deleted items may be permanently deleted by your storage provider. So basically you could just this files, photos and videos are optional or not permanently deleted, but they are in the trash, so you can clear them by clicking right here select and basically delete all by clicking delete all, and now you will be able to delete those files. But if you want to recover it, you could just click recover all recover this one or delete this one. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.